I thought I was getting a decent start. I thought it was 6:30, but it's 6:51. 35 degrees. We're expecting rain. My back is killing me. I already took 2 Advil. Oh boy. Trying to get Flynn walked before it rains. I got 2 pounds of mice up by the house this morning. Gotta get back and have my coffee before they come over. Eli is coming over to see if I can resolve his camera issue. His cellular camera will not upload to Verizon to send him pictures. He's saying he needs to do a firmware or software upgrade on the camera, but refusing to connect where he is. So I told him to come down here and use the cellular booster I have in the house, or I'll leave the camera with me and I'll try and resolve the issue for him. And Rick is going to stop by. He doesn't have a printer at his house. The doors we were going to install yesterday on his Ranger, he had, before he bought them, he sent an email to the seller to make sure that the doors will fit his specific, boy, I have trouble with that word, his specific Ranger. The year, size, to mid-size Ranger. And the guy said, yep, they fit. So they arrived, and the box clearly says for large Ranger. So he had to argue with the guy to take them back. The guy wanted Rick to pay for shipping. And finally the guy conceded to send a prepaid shipping label, but Rick couldn't print it, and I printed it for him. So people have to get rid of that. So I think we're bunny rabbit. I don't know if Flynn smelled them or caught him out of the corner of his eye. Flynn, you want to go say hello to Bunny Rabbit? Bunny Rabbit. What are you doing? Flynn. There you go. Don't yank my arm out, Flynn. Back right here. Oh, bunny rabbit. Oh, hey. There he is over here, Flynn. Yeah, over here. Easy, easy. Oh boy. Really need to use my right arm. I'm trying to hold him. Wow. He got up to speed from a slack leash on the left side, over to the right side. So that's 12 feet of him getting going. I was saying the bunny just pooped. Well, I gotta catch him. Unless the bunny's stupid enough to run right into you. All right, Flynn. No. No. Flynn. Good boy. He's gone. Nope. Oh, apparently he's not gone, huh? Good boy. Enough fun for the morning, huh? All right. Let's go take care of business. Oh boy. So today's the last Friday in Lent. Next Friday is part of the what my cousin posted was part of the Tridium. So Lent technically ends on Good Thursday. Or Good Thursday is the last day of Lent, or I don't know. Flynn, stay. Stay. Flynn. So as though the cow was gone, I didn't see it for 2 days, but last night you could see the cow about 400 or 500 feet east in the eastern field. Every day, Flynn's got a similar spot. Let's go. Usually he marks it, but they didn't mark it today. Saw 2 partridges last night, one down the field here. Went down there and checked out one of the cameras. I'm surprised it still had battery life left. And it had 68 pictures before it took a picture of me. So there's 69 pictures on the camera. I gotta go. Pull the chip out, put the batteries in that camera. Check the, I have 4 cameras. I know one I gotta replace. Oh boy. So yeah, I went up to meh. Went up to Rick yesterday to help him put the doors on to find out that they're too large. So I was going to be up there Probably a couple hours to do the door, help him with the door install, but that didn't happen. And Eli came out to check his camp. Came up about 3:30, I think, and verified that the thief took one of his cell cameras. Now he's sent the name and the picture of the guy his other camera picked up. We think we know who took the camera and other stuff, but he's not heard back from the state police. So that was a little bit of a disappointment. And you can see black and white through the brush there. That's the cow. Back there is where we saw the second partridge. And today is the 8th. So today is when I get billed for my Starlink. That's on auto pay. So I got an email this morning that my payment was processed. So today is the last of the $99 monthly fee. Next month it goes up to $110. I was disappointed by that. April, October. So 8 months at $99 now. Who knows how long it'll be, $110. But I'll tell you, things work so much better on Starlink. As the snow melts, there's more garbage from this, whatever you call it, more feed bags and more critters. Not sure when it's supposed to start raining. So yesterday I dipped my toe in the battery-operated, lithium battery-operated power tool market. I bought a steel chainsaw, and it was more money than I thought it was going to be. I had looked online, and I thought all steel pricing was uniform, that everybody had to charge the same manufacturer's suggested retail price. But I got to the local steel dealer, and it was $70 more than I thought it was going to be. That's including tax. And the guy said I'll get 40 minutes runtime out of it, and it would take an hour to charge. So got home, plugged it in at 4:10, and it finally finished charging about 5:45. So that's over 2 hours to charge the batteries. One battery pack. So that's got buyer's remorse already on it. I'm going to be able to use it for up to 40 minutes, and then it'll take 2 hours to charge it. Which I guess it'll work out, but 2 hours of cutting alders and then the battery runs out. I go plug it in to charge it up, go back and stack up the alders to chip. It'll take 2 hours to stack them up, so I guess it's alright. Come on, Flynn, take care of business, huh? Well, the wind is at my back, so I'm walking down. When I turn around and walk south on the road, it's going to be right in my face. And the camera's microphone, so you get a lot of wind noise. So we took the truck to Lincoln yesterday. Rita had tried to drop off the recycling 2 weeks ago, but it was a Wednesday and they were closed. They closed Wednesdays. So that sat in the garage for 2 weeks. So I loaded it up in the truck and dropped it off. And the truck has been with us for 120,000 mile service. I checked the oil information on the console before I got there. I had 59% remaining before I needed an oil change, so I told them not to do an oil filter change. Told them not to change the air filter because they had the aftermarket K&N air filter on it. I changed the air filter yesterday before I went down, so it's a fresh air filter. The old one's sitting in the garage. I have to wash it off, let it dry out, and then spray it with the K&N oil that goes on the filter to catch the dust. That's a good stiff breeze, I'll tell you. So the truck is supposed to be worked on at 8:30 this morning. I don't know how long. We'll check the weather to see whether change hands. Hold on. Gotta check the weather to see when the rain's coming in. See whether we get down to Lincoln to pick up the truck today or wait until tomorrow. The weather, it said that there was a winter weather advisory or warning. I don't know the difference. Freezing rain, snow. I think it's for north of us, so. I got the tree taken care of, I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Nope, still there. All right, fine. Thanks. Come on. Eli had all this posted, and he was commenting that thought somebody ripped all his posted saws down, but I think he just blew down. So Rick's wife sent a picture. Her daughter and her husband bought a CF Moto side by side. I've seen some CF Moto stuff, I think, at Tractor Supply, and it's less expensive than Polaris and definitely cheaper than a Can-Am. I think they bought the 600 cc model. Everything's all set. I think his morning deposit. He didn't like that spot. And their granddaughter or grandson is buying a Can-Am. But that machine is a 4-seater. And I think all in with all the accessories they got, it's $40,000. I don't like spending $40,000 on a truck. Spending 40 grand on a side-by-side. If you got the money, fine. Oh yes, Flynn did tell me so the doors I ordered for my Polaris Razor, there's no shipping information on it yet. The guy said 2-week lead time, so I don't know if that's 2-week lead time. I can build them and then another week to ship. I don't know. So I'll wait another couple of days and send them a note asking when I can expect them. These are getting cold, even though it's 35 degrees. A little wind chill effect there. The wind is almost completely out of the east. As far as speaking, because I had to breathe through my nose to prevent the snot from running down my face. I don't have to get out of the mud. I don't want to stop and take my gloves off and get a handkerchief out on my nose. Good boy. We drove past Tom's place last night and they passed. Flynn, get in there. Get in there. Flynn. Stop. He wants to walk right in the water. It's going to get all dirty. Past Tom's place and then past Pauline's place. Pauline was out cleaning up some of the stuff that fell down during the winter. out there doing landscaping already. Yeah, I think it's going to be a down day today. Eli and Rick over the house early. Take care of their business. Maybe make some apple muffins or something. We bought some gala apples. Plenty of mud. The tread on the shoes. So as soon as I get in the house, I kick the shoes off into a rubber holder. Have to get the vacuum in anyway. Vacuum around that area. So we'll have cereal for breakfast this morning because can't have sausage. No meat. Oh boy. Stumbled over that rock. School bus goes to like 2 or 3 miles an hour to get to it. People have been driving over into my grassy area here. Some people looks like even on the full 2 feet. I just exhaled and my glasses fogged up. Alright, buddy. Let's see if we see that rain back next week. Kudos to Dead River Oil Company. They had run off my brother's driveway with their truck delivering oil. Actually kerosene, he uses kerosene. And the truck sank down the mud, or sank down the grassy area that wasn't really mud. They came back yesterday with bags of topsoil filled in the tire tracks and actually threw down some grass seed, which was very nice. Last time he had a problem with that, it was a different company, Whitney Energy. They made a real big mess. They actually had somebody come up and tow truck and pull their delivery truck out. They did nothing. I had to go over there with the tractor. Flatten things out for them. It's tough to come around, but it's pretty much the same area. So I don't think we're going to make any progress with cut the alder today. But the ad will take effect. Have my coffee and cereal. A little vacuuming. We can get left here. it for right now. We'll check in tomorrow. Thanks for watching.